Minecraft is undeniably one of the best games ever. Writing a Minecraft clone is, in my opinion, the best way to get into 3D graphics programming. The graphics are simple. No need for any complicated assets or fancy lighting, and it's really easy to get a playable demo quickly up and running, while also leaving space for you to learn more advanced and complicated concepts. I think going through the process of writing a Minecraft clone teaches a lot better how 3D graphics work on a basic level than any amount of blog posts could. Only problem is that there is a surprising lack of tutorial videos that go through the entire process step by step, and that's what I'm trying to mend with this video series. I'm going to try to teach all of the ins and outs of creating a Minecraft clone from scratch. The version I plan on recreating will loosely be based off of Java Edition Alpha 1.1.2, but may stray a bit off of the beaten path to go over some specific topics. I toyed around with many ideas for programming languages I could use, and I settled down on Python as I feel as though it's the most accessible language to most people. Even though it may not be as suited to creating games as, say, C++, it conveys all the same concepts needed for understanding 3D graphics, while also being incredibly easy to set up an environment for. Unlike many other languages, you don't have to worry about compilers, memory handling, and all of that complicated stuff. Anyways, see you in the next episode.